Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, looking at Ethereum, how the price has been trading here, looking at the 4-hour chart, we can look at this fallout that we've had with the FTX. How the price of Ethereum was trading for nearly $1,700 just before the whole FTX fallout had taken place. We've come down within 5 waves within this. And there's a possibility that we might not have completed the 5th wave to the downside, or that we have completed it, and that all this price movement that we're seeing now that is moving away from this trend line, from this falling wedge pattern that we were in with Ethereum that had come down within 5 waves from its all-time high back in November of 2021, and completed that at the 52-week low back in the middle of June at a price of around $880, and then Ethereum then quickly went up within a period over 2 months into the middle of August, completed this first wave, and then we've come down within a wave 2, which has had a handful of different price movements that has really been stretched out here for a while. And there's a possibility that we have completed this wave 2, but no guarantees yet, because the price of Ethereum could still come down a bit lower, even though we have this price movement that is moving away from this trend line. This could still be part of the wave 4 still, and we can still be coming down within the wave 3, since our current wave 3 from the FTX fallout and the wave 5 from the FTX fallout are within the same price range right now. So I would still expect that this could still be all part of the wave 4 that could still come down within a wave 5. I'm not ruling that out, but if we did find the completion of the wave 2, then everything that we're seeing right now could have some upside momentum. Now, looking at how things have been transitioning here, we can see that this current wedge that we're within right now, this has had a 5-wave move, or not a 5-wave move yet, but a possible 5th wave to expect, I should say, where we've had a wave 1, 2, 3, possible 4, and right now we're possibly within this wave 5 that could have some more upside potential. Now, if we turn this on over to the daily chart and we look at how things are currently playing out within all these price movements, let's look at our moving averages, which we're still there at a 20-day moving average. We need to work a little bit up more to get to that 50-day moving average, which is at a price that's around $1,300. Very key that we do get to that. And if we were to pass that $1,300 price, then probably we'll be seeing a bit more of a price movement, just like what we're seeing just before the whole FTX fall, just as we had broken out of this trend line originally back at the end of October. And you can see that there was a pretty decent sized price pump that we had followed that also took us above that 100-day moving average, which I think that if we were to get that one more leg up within a wave 5 and take us to a price that's close to $1,400, that would also take us up within our 100-day moving average. That would be a very key spot for Ethereum to go to, and we would possibly be seeing much larger price movements after we do surpass that. So definitely things here within the Ethereum chart. It could go pretty good, I'm thinking, but of course we have to keep that bearish possibility that the price of Ethereum could still be coming down, since we're not out of the woods yet within these price movements that we had to the downside after the FTX fallout. Nothing still is telling us that we've completed the wave 4, and nothing is telling us that we've completed the wave 5. We can still be well within that wave 4 right now, and then coming down one more leg down to complete the wave 5, and that would complete the wave 2. And then at that point, we could be going up within a wave 3. Now, within a wave 3, I expect that we would be seeing a lot of price movements as far as retracing where we're at during this whole downfall within these 5 waves. I think that if we were to see this wave 3 go up, I think it has a possibility of reaching a pretty significant amount, thinking that it could go somewhere within the range of $3,000, if not more. Thinking if we were to retrace where we're at within the wave 4 to the downside from the much larger wave impulses, of course, is what I'm talking about. From this wave 4 that we had at the start of the second quarter of 2022, in the month of April, just as we had reached that price of close to $3,600, we then came down quickly, and that took us into our 52-week low, that $880 price. So if we were to retrace that wave 4 and retrace the whole price movements to the downside from the wave 5, then that $3,600 price is a possibility that we could be reaching, if not even more with that as well. That would be a great possibility as well too. So I'm thinking somewhere between the price of $3,000 and $3,600 that we could be going to within this wave 3, and that would be a really nice retracement for Ethereum to happen. Of course, this is going to take us well into next year, so this is going to be stuff that we could expect within 2023. But here in the short term, I am expecting that possibly before the end of the year that we could be reaching the price for Ethereum somewhere within the range of say $15,000 and $17,000. Retrace where we're at within the whole FTX fallout. I think that could be coming much sooner than later, in my personal opinion. So that's the current update for Ethereum. I'm thinking that there's still a possibility that we could be seeing this price come up a bit with Ethereum and complete a wave 5. Of course, these would all just be microwaves, all part of these much larger wave structures that we could be expecting. So hoping that soon we'll be able to see the price of Ethereum reaching a price that's near $1,400 and complete this current price movement that we have. But that's the news. I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other cryptocurrencies as well. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing. I'll see you all the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.